4x4 time here at Unique, especially in classics. 1986 Chevrolet Silverado K10 regular cab short box. Apple red, saddle tan interior, and that is the way this truck would have been produced back in 1986 when it hit the Chevrolet showroom. Underneath the hood, 305 small block Chevy V8 that is paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Let you take a look at the front bumper, grill. Chrome appears to be in nice shape. There's a little spot right there if you can kind of see it. Other than that, truck shows very well. Has had a repaint along the line somewhere. Also nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Now if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the engine bay, check out the interior, the underside. Probably close to 90 pictures of this truck online on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And we can be reached at 507-386-1726. As you can see, riding on Michelin radials, still the stock style wheel. And then let's take a look down the passenger side of this truck. First off, look around these wheel wells. You don't see any bubbling. It looks good. There may be a few light rock chips down in the lower rockers just from small pebbles, what have you, being kicked up, but overall shows very nice. Let's go ahead and take a look at those lower rockers, and of course, corner of the cab corners. This was a Southern truck pretty much its entire life up till 2020 when it came to the state of Iowa. So one little spot back here I did notice. It's a little bit of bubbling. Other than that, very solid around those wheel wells, lower rockers. We'll check out that interior here in just a bit too. Other thing to remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Let's check out this rear bumper and tailgate. Condition also appears to be pretty nice. Box does have a spray-in liner as well as a bed mat. Plenty of protection back there, and of course you can see the bed rails on it. Those still pictures, once again, if you want to check them out, look at the underside, interior engine bay at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. You can see the truck's nice and straight. Let's look down the driver's side here. Again, around those wheel wells. You can definitely tell this was a Southern truck. No doubt about that. Come up to that cab corner again. Solid on the rockers. Let's check around this front wheel well. And you can also see the paint shows well when we're up that close. Nice true apple red color. Once again, nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC does blow cold. Let's check out this interior. Power windows, power locks, tilt. And again, the saddle tan color. There's also a picture of the, I guess, build information, the data sheet, if you will, in the glove box. It tells you how this truck was equipped from Chevrolet back in 1986. That picture will be in the stills, so you'll be able to see that on our website. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Nice sounding truck too. FYI, that's the seatbelt light. We'll go out shortly there. This interesting. Hey, even the clock works. Oil pressure. Had the wipers working. Again, AC blows, the blower fan and everything works there. I did not have the AM/FM cassette. Come on. FYI. Take a look at the dash. Seat. A vinyl seat, really pretty much free of rips, tears, holes. Headliner in good shape. Slip around in the back so you hear it. Nice little rumble coming out of 305. Sounds good. Let's go ahead and pause this a second. We're gonna pop the hood and let's check out that engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There we go, hood pop, hood liner, nice shape. Once again, 305 power steering, power brakes, AC, paired up with automatic with overdrive transmission. Smooth running, sounds good. You watched our videos before. We mentioned lots of times it's what you can't hear as far as like lift or noise. Any odd sounding noises coming from underneath there. This one does not have it. Smooth running, 305, small block show. Nice power plant. There you go, looking for a 4x4 regular cab short box. How about a 1986 Chevrolet Silverado? Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in